Welcome to my tutorial. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome. This tutorial is a Halloween costume. As you can tell from the title, this costume is Pretty Little Liars costume. If I was, for example, invited somewhere and I have to show up, this will be the quick fix, the quick thing, and it would not cost me that much money, and I would still look good, and I would still be like dressed up for Halloween. So I want to show you guys a really cheap, nice costume for Halloween, and I am inspired by Pretty Little Liars.
Got a secret, can you keep it? Swear this one you save. Better lock it in your pocket, taking this one to the grave. If I show you that I know you won't tell what I said, 'cause two can keep a secret if one of them is dead.
At first I thought I was gonna be scared, okay, because I don't like scary movies, and this show is really dark and very mystique and very mysterious and very Halloweenish. It's the perfect show for Halloween. It's very kind of scary. It's very like it's somebody stalking you. Okay, imagine staying in your house and somebody's watching in your window and telling you what you're wearing. That's how scary this show is. The characters in this show, there's Aria, there's Anna, there's Emily, and there's Spencer. And then there is don't tell me I forgot her name. What? I kind of forgot her name. Oh my god, what's her name again? The girl that was lost. Allison. Allison.
So guys, for the makeup, I'm going for a eyeshadow for a smoky eye look. For this look, I'm putting a black eyeliner, as you can see, at the top of my eyes, which I'm just following the shape of my eye and then just like bringing it out a little bit. Also, I'm putting some black eyeliner on the bottom of my eye as well. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna repeat it to the other eye. There you go. So the costume is Pretty Little Liars, and I want some eyeshadow that's dark eyeshadow. I want a smoky eye to go with the look. After I finish putting the liner, I'm going to smudge it up to get the smoky look. Now I want to add black eyeshadow to the liner. When you get the liner on, try to use a creamy liner so it's easy for you to blend your shadow with it. So I'm taking black eyeshadow and I'm blending it on top of the black eyeliner to create a smoky eye look for this costume that I'm about to wear. Now this is a really easy costume. Everything you probably already have at home and nothing really extra. Probably one piece that you have to buy, but the rest just work with your makeup. Now I'm just blending to create my smoky eye using the black liner and the black shadow. I'm blending it to my eyes, trying to stay in the lines that I have mentally created for myself and not to make my eye look like I got a black eye. So really important to blend it nicely and stick into your lines, you know. Just keep going with the blending. You can never blend enough in makeup. So I'm gonna blend the bottom as well. I really like smudged eyeliner, just like messy and not too perfect, but like, you know, still a vibe. And now I'm going to add something to create more layers and definition. I'm going to add this peachy color to my crease. I'm going to crease it up with the peachy orangey color to make it a little bit less basic and more like some definition, you know, something nice. I don't want to have just black eyeshadow on my eyes. I want to create a whole look. So this comes in and just gives the warmth that was missing. Then because I want a little more, I'm adding some blue. Blue and black always work, but obviously I want to blend it. I don't want to have blue eyeshadow. I just want to have a mystery eyeshadow that's kind of like smoky bluish. The black liner will overpower the blue, but the blue will still be there, giving an extra layer to the smoky eye look, which will just give it a nice finish. Right? Yeah. I'm satisfied, and I'm going to go back with a little more peachy stuff and just blending it all together for the look. And there you go. This is a MAC palette that I'm using. So here I'm just doing my hair. So for the hair, I'm going for a very wavy, beachy waves, something glamorous that I usually see Pretty Little Liars girls. I barely see them with straight hair. Well, they do straight hair, but lots of time they have big bouncy curls, and I'm going to achieve that by using my curling iron. And then just like after I curl it, I'm gonna brush it away so it's like no effort, effortless and nice. And your girl likes to make the baby hairs pop. Pretty Little Liars don't do that, but that's the extra cost for this nice tip. So I will lay the edges, my baby hairs, down for the gods. Yes, I like the feeling of that.
Now, this was just the basic. Now for the fun part, okay? This is the makeup, and then now you have, like I said, for the look, you need shades, you need a veil. Okay, I feel like the veil is it's like the most important piece to this look, because it's really gonna give the mysterious look, the dark look, the Halloween look, because this movie is really dark and Halloween-ish and scary and really dark. So like I said, all black, everything, the black dress, the veil, and you have to put some high heels on. And I'm just gonna go and put the dress on, and then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna put the veil on, and I'm gonna put the shades on, and then I'm gonna be like, oh my god, hey, he's stalking me. Can I be an actress? Why is A stalking me? Why is she sending me messages? She says she can't see me. Where is A? Where's O? No! I'll be back.
Got a secret, can you keep it? Swear this one you save. Better lock it in your pocket, taking this one to the grave. If I show you, then I know you won't tell what I said. 'Cause two can keep a secret if one of them is dead. Why do you smile like you've been told a secret?